Hi, I'm Ryan with Talos, and I'm here with the T60X to show you how to make connection points for your operations. First things first, when you are making your connection points, you're gonna, after we start, press begin. So after you make your field, you're gonna need to, basically, there's no option when you're making the field. It'll be when you're about to use the field to create these connection points. So, right here, we have our field selected, and just gonna select use. So now on the right, you can see we have the option for the connection point. So let's say you have an L-shaped field, or there's an obstacle in between your starting point and the beginning of your task. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that the drone goes around that obstacle. So by default, if you set an obstacle point or an obstacle boundary, the drone will automatically fly around it. But if you wanna be safe, or if you have kind of like other things like buildings or anything in that sort of way, you can just take the extra precaution of adding the connection point just so there is a good amount of distance between the object and the drone. So what we're going to do here is all you have to do is select add, and it creates that connection point. You can add multiple as well, so we can add another one right here. And then lastly, if you want your drone to stay within the boundary, you can also add a connection point within the boundary as well. So we can add one inside the boundary as well. So the first thing the drone will do is going to fly to point 1, point 2, then point 3, and then the beginning of the task. And then once the drone finishes the task, it's going to go to point 3, 2, and 1, and then back to home. So once you have your connection point set, you're just going to continue on and double check everything is good and press start. So as you can see, the drone does pretty well with keeping up with those connection points. And from the return to home part, you can see in the video that our recording drone actually went a little too close to our T60 and it stopped it and paused the operation. And you could see on my recording that I even closed the operation as well. And I still pressed return to home and it still followed those connection points since it was still up in the air. So yeah, even from then on, it'll basically go to any of those connection points that you set within or outside of that boundary. And yeah, that's how you create connection points for your T60X. If there's any obstacles in the way that you need to make sure that the drone avoids, and you need to manually set these points to make sure it gets through that clearance. So yeah, again, I'm Ryan with the Talos team, and this is how you make connection points with your Talos T60X.